What's up YouTube? Someone's Rock Enterprises here. So I'm gonna do a first stage video today. I'm at the Dairy Queen in Ghent, and Avery he's not here because he's at like back at home and whatnot. I got my dad and my friends over there. So yeah, I'm doing the first taste. Something Avery King wanted me to do, and he actually loves this. It's the Brownie Battered Blizzard. He really loves this stuff, and whenever he hangs out with his friend, the friend that drives him around, he always gets this whenever he goes to the Dairy Queen here. So I'm gonna do the first taste in this. So let's smell it, obviously. It smells very chocolatey. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is actually not bad. From a 0 to 10, it is a 7 or an 8. Really good. So, thank you very much for watching. Hold the comment, subscribe. Peace out.